Yeah, we had a couple plans, and welcome to the Trade of the Day again today. Look, we wouldn't be the self-proclaimed people's trader if we didn't share with you every single day for free our ideas. And then let's just look at what the Trade of the Day is going to be. It's going to be on CEI, and here at Trader TV Sean, CEI, I wrote this, sent this out, I don't know, 8:20 today. Huge volume yesterday, 500, 700 million shares. Looks like it'll do that again today. We have to watch out and watch for the test of 150. Let's go long and let's see if it gets supported at 125. That's it, like we talked about it right here. Let's go long. Let's go long over 150. A little bit of muscles, a little bit of check mark. So let's close that and see where we went from here now. So Mr. Roberts, let's close this quickly. Thank you. No problem. Neil's trading. Look, we're doing this show live right now, so thanks, Neil, for that one. And here we go. Let's go back and say, why, Sean? Why did you like that 150 area? Well, I just marked down. This is yesterday on crazy volume. So we're talking about now the 7th, I believe, right? Yesterday. So right in here, the top of the day was 146. Look where we came from, though. We came from $1 all the way up to 146 and stopped. So, okay, that gives us our level. So all we're waiting for is for that to break. And it's just that simple. So here we go. We transfer over here. Now this is the daily 1-minute chart, right? So this is a 1-minute chart on today. So here's that first 146. It's right down here. We take that long. I think we got long like 145 on. Broke and came back anyways. There's the long, and then just seconds later, there is the in again at 150. So we actually get in at 151. We take a piece out at 150, 151. And then look what happens, an explosion to the upside. And this is the problem, man. These hands are good, but they're not diamonds, so we don't hold it all the way up. It starts just to rip up. The thing is, in the pre-market, I talk about this all the time, I don't want to use a full default. Completely out of the story here for CEI because this is only at 9 o'clock. But you know what? The volume was like already 50 million. There's so many shares to trade with that I had no problem going in with a full default here because it's breaking the level and it's trading as if we're open. So I don't have any liquidity problems. Bang to the upside. It just continues to go, man. We let this thing go all the way up. 175. We're trading this. Each one of these is like 2 or 3% out. Like, it's stupid that I'm doing this, but this is how I trade. All the way back up to the upside. It threatens in here around 160 or so. It starts to threaten like, hey, maybe we want to get back to the downside, right? So we're using the 50 period and VWAP as sort of a sign to say, hey, maybe this is something that we have to, momentum's changing on this name. But it doesn't. We get out very small there, and then it just blows to the upside. This is where we really start to go crazy. Why? Because if you look back here, like that's today. We didn't get that $2 yesterday, and we had that 50-cent move. So we're already in 50 cents, and the market literally just opened with big buy candles here too, right? So hit it to the upside, just start to cash it out. Now this is the key thing. It comes back down, we hold very small again, breaks down, we start to get out at this 150, 160. But this is really where that trade's fine. This is my money trade. You know, made it, it's good. But this is where we get very, very specific. And you know what? Normally you've seen me trade, and if I like the long, notice none of these are shorts. We're not going short CEI today. But you know, we don't trade it in this area. The only spot that we maybe could have tested again, it wouldn't have worked, but I wouldn't have blamed myself if I would have got long at that same level again. But look what happens. It comes back in, it crashes. It doesn't even look at it. It crashes all the way down to 135 there, all right? Comes back, basically uses this exact 145 again as support, and then crashes back down. But look, I'm still long right now as I do this. We wait for it to base out here at $1, right? Why are we choosing $1 again? It's not that it lines up with this pre-market level. It's just we have an out. I go long here at 106. My out is that bottom candle right there, $1. If we break $1, I'm out. That's 6 cents worth of risk on the full shutdown, on the full share size, okay? Boom, right to the upside. First out, 110. Boom, we already took our 4, 5, 6 cents there. Out, out, out again. Then our next out, 113, 115, 120, 125s. And now all of a sudden with a 6 cent risk, we're taking out of this 19 cents up here. And we're still holding. So we still have a piece of this on board, right? Out, I think each one of these is about 10%, so maybe we have about 10%. I'll go back and double check. But out on the way back up. The key thing here is have a plan. And that's what Brendan started this with. We had yesterday's high right there coming into play, right? Look at it, that's the trade we make there. Boom, big time explosion to the upside, good, right? Now this one, let it settle down, let it come out base down, and then take that back to the upside. So for me, it's just two trades. It's the long here, we got cute going 146, but really it was 146, 150 as we said on the sticky note, and then we wait for it to base and come down there. We see the base and we take it. Notice we don't take it on the way down. We let it form some kind of a base and then take it. So that's CEI, it's your trade of the day. Remember, oil's hot, so you got to keep looking where the money is and where the flows are. Another 500 million share day for CEI.